Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Today is a post review of my completed diamond painting from Tinmy Arts, Christmas Gifts. This kit was purchased from AliExpress. The store name is Tinmy Arts. The cost of the kit was $12.74. It is a 40 by 50 centimeters full round drill diamond painting. The canvas type is unusual for standard AliExpress kits. It is very similar to Diamond Art Club one. It is soft, I would say even cotton on the back and sparkly on the outside, on the front. The adhesive is a poured glue and the kit contained 25 colors. All of them were resin drills. But you have already probably noticed that I customized this kit with AB diamonds, precisely pink ones here, and crystals on the fire in the fireplace, candlelight, and Christmas tree lights. I like how they sparkle, especially in comparison to regular resin drills. As you know, Tinmy Arts used to be one of my most favorite stores on AliExpress, but recently it changed ownership and the quality of the kits started deteriorating. It is not just my personal opinion, but shared experience of many Tinmy Arts customers. If you saw my unboxing video, you remember how pixelated the original canvas looked. Unfortunately, completed kit does not look much better than that. Nor the color selection makes it look more detailed. I would say that the color selection leaves much to be desired. The colors are very dull, somewhat grayish, limited when it comes to the variety. Just look, almost every single color has some grayish shade to it. If it is green, it is not just green, it is grayish green. And again, there are a lot of gray colors, just gray shades, light, gray, dark gray, and etc. The rest of the colors, such as yellow, orange, and etc., are pretty dull. Now, the picture itself looks pretty pixelated. I mean, I do understand that the design has a lot of details and the size should be bigger, but first of all, it was the biggest size Tinmy Arts offered. So in any case, the size is too small. This is one factor why the picture looks pixelated. But the poor selection of the colors also prevent objects to look more clear. For example, this is supposed to be a cat next to the fireplace. I wouldn't know if I didn't see the original picture. This is supposed to be snowman. I mean, on the camera you can somehow see that it is somewhat of a snowman, but off the camera, I mean, I showed it to my husband, he thought it was a deer or something. So, in any case, if a smarter approach was used to color selection by the manufacturer, these objects would look way better. Long story short, I do not like the final result because it looks pixelated. Even a 50 by 40 centimeters kit can look pretty detailed if it is well charted and colors are correctly selected. Like, for example, one from England, Pets by the Fireplace. Just look at it. You can see every single book. You can see every single design on the pillow. You can even see the design on the rug. Very, very, very detailed and well crafted design. And another disadvantage of Tinmy Arts kits is the glue. Again, just as with my previous kit, winter scenery, when you look at light colors, this type of glue does not allow to reposition the drill to a right position. Once you put it in correctly, no matter how many times you try to reposition it to a right position, it will still move to its original place. That's why you can see the black circles through the drills, and it creates the effect of inaccuracy. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.